Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. How much is enough? For some, it's never enough. You keep moving the goalposts. Once you reach your goal, you forget all about the small wins along the way. They become insignificant. It's the little things that count. I remember when I was 16, I felt if I only had a car, I'd be happy. It'd solve all my problems. I finally purchased my own car, and for about 2 weeks, I was happy. Then I began comparing my vehicle to my friends and my peers' vehicles. And in 6 months, I wanted a better car. I didn't realize that comparison was the thief of my joy. Just having my own vehicle was no longer good enough. I started my business because I badly wanted to provide for my family. In the beginning, my goal was just to pay the mortgage. If I could do that, I knew that I'd have a significant impact in my household. See, in 2012, I left my 9-to-5 to start my business, and during that time, I was in fear of not being able to provide for my family. My fear led me to stop caring about comparisons and focus on what was important. So I charged a low price in an attempt to get customers, and it worked. I charged $25 for a sedan, and even though the price was so low, I was happy. I didn't complain because I was able to pay the mortgage. I met my goal, so charging low prices didn't bother me. I had enough even when I had so little to work with. Over time, people began to tell me that I wasn't charging enough, but those statements didn't have any effect on me. You couldn't tell me nothing. I was good. I actually had enough when I was earning so little. Around 2017, I started to see detailers on YouTube who charge more. I mean, they were charging hundreds of dollars for a detail. Before 2017, I couldn't imagine charging $100 for a detail. I thought I'd lose customers by raising my prices. I didn't want to risk it all, so I added a $100 detail while slightly raising the $25 detail. And you know what? It worked. I was able to do this because I had enough. See, when I had enough, it doesn't mean that I'm finished. I still have goals that I chase every day. Having enough keeps me humble, keeps me focused, and keeps me on track on what's important. At this point, I can't be swayed by money or materialistic things. I won't betray my friends and family for status, money, or clout. I don't compare myself to other detailers. Like I said earlier, comparison is the thief of joy. As soon as you start comparing yourself to other detailers, what you have and what you have accomplished can become not good enough. Take a second to acknowledge and enjoy the accomplishments, even the small wins. But don't celebrate too long. You still got work to do. Just remember, if you have enough, you're good. You don't have to compete with the next detailer. You don't need to have a better setup, more customers, or detail higher end vehicles than your fellow detailer. But you just having what you need is good enough. I've never had customers look at my equipment or stop me from detailing because my equipment wasn't up to par. Customers care about results and convenience. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. And stick around for the next video. Shouts out to the New Wave. Peace.